Hey guys, this is your traveler friend Amit Mishra and you're watching Amit Traveler. Morning from Lobuche. We arrived here at around 7 p.m. yesterday night and it's 9:30 a.m. now. We are heading towards Goraksep. Stay in Lobuche costs you 1000 NPR per room. Initially from Lobuche, for 1 hour, it's a flat ground that you will be walking on to reach Goraksep. Then there is 2 hours of steep climb. So for approximately 1 hour, it has been flat ground that we have been walking. And here now you see is a climb, a steep climb up that complete hill. So which is approximately 60-meter elevation. This is Lobuche Pass, after crossing which we could see the glacier and the huge mountain. This is the loose rocks through which we have to walk to go to Goraksep. That is from where we have been walking, through the loose rocks. This is the glacier on top of which we are walking. To reach Goraksep, you will be walking beside this beautiful glacier that you can see here. It's such an amazing view around. That is the Goraksep camp that you can see. It took us approximately 3 hours to reach here from Lobuche. Goraksep is at an elevation of 5165 meters. So basically it's a 3-hour trek from Lobuche to Goraksep, and initially for 1 hour you're walking on the flat ground. After that it's a steep climb to the Lobuche Pass. And after that it's a glacier where you will be walking on the glacier as well as the view of the glacier, and the rocks are really slippery there. You need to be careful while you walk. So today we started from Lobuche at 9:30 a.m. and we reached to Goraksep. We kept our luggage there, checked into a hotel, had our lunch. Now we are heading to the Everest base camp. It's a bit of a hectic thing to do if you do directly from Lobuche to Everest Base Camp and back to Goraksep, but it would be nice if you guys can hang in to Goraksep for the first day and then the next day do from Goraksep to Everest Base Camp and back to Goraksep. That there you can see is the Everest Base Camp. That is where we need to hike to. Check how beautiful this glacier looks. At Everest base camp it was quite crowded and we had to wait for our turn to go to the top and take a picture. If you like the video, please do share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.